I mean, I'm just going to press the button now just to show you that is a seriously large collection of channels that you can enjoy on this application. Pages and pages of high quality channels, all with that fully working program guide. So you want to watch over 850 live channels in this updated streaming application, giving you access to content from all over the world, absolutely free. Now, this application was updated in the last few days. It works great on your Firestick, on your Android TVs. The application doesn't need any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application doesn't have any adverts, and I'm not using any kind of VPN. So all of this great content across all of your devices, absolutely free, ad-free, and even without using any kind of VPN. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said,
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
And the application in question is the new version of Zoomer Play. And as you can see, they've reported now giving access to over 850 live channels as Comcast tries to dominate the free streaming. So now we can see here that the application was updated recently and now offers over 850 live channels, all of your favorite content, all of your favorite genres. Please make sure you watch the video to the end so I can show you exactly how you can get this special version, which has all of these features. And as I mentioned before, I'm not seeing any adverts and I'm not using any VPN. So let's now start the application for the first time. So the application has a really nice clean layout. We can see we have the main menu on the left where we have the live guide. This includes that fully working program guide, the EPG, so you can see exactly what's on those 850 plus live channels. You also have free movies, TV shows, and you can also break the content down into different networks. Let's go to settings. Now we can just see if I go to additional information, the latest version here is 4.0108. Let's go to the live guide. I mean, here you'll see it, guys. You can see they've got sections here for recommended. You can add channels into your favorites, and I will show you that in just a second. You have updated content for Halloween, news, weather, movies, sports, combat sports, automotive, crime TV, action and drama, comedy, horror, nature, westerns, home and design, game shows, food, travel, Latino, reality, classic. I mean, all of your favorite categories are there. And we have local news at the end. If I go to the right, you can see now we have that fully working program guide. So we can see right now, as it's just gone 8:30 in the UK, we have Dracula over here. We have Top Gear, we have Head Count. Here, for example, we have Crazy Train. Let's click on that. Give that a second, and we are straight into that episode. And as you can see, guys, there were no interruptions or pop-ups. We are straight into that content. And that's a fantastic HD picture. Let's go back. You've got other sports content here. You've got some esports. You got some bean sports, combat sports. Here you have Tyson versus Lewis. Click on that just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here, it's working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this fantastic content absolutely free. And of course, 100% official, 100% legal. Here you have automotive. Here is flipping the bird. Okay, let's click on that. And you can see very quickly, without seeing any pop-ups, any interruptions, again, we are straight into that content. And that's working great. Let's go back. I mean, I'm just going to press the button now just to show you that is a seriously large collection of channels that you can enjoy on this application. Just pages and pages of high quality channels, all with that fully working program guide. Now when you're inside a channel, if you press the select button again, you can see I have the option here to heart or make the channel a favorite. So if I click on that, Let's go back. That's one channel. Over here we have Magellan TV, which is a great documentary channel. Click on that. Again, click on the heart. That's now added. Let's go back. Now when I go back to my channel list, I can now press left on the remote, press left again. If I go to the top of the categories, we can see there should be a section right at the top for my favorites. Now when I click on that, this now shows you those 3 channels that I made into favorites. So a great way for you to organize these 850 channels. You can go through the list, find the content that you like, find the categories that you like, and then save those channels into your favorites. So it just means that the next time you go into the application, you don't need to go through a big list. You can go straight to your favorites and access all of the content that you enjoy from there. Now, as I mentioned before, the channels is just one section. If I go to the left, we also have free movies. So here you'll just find tens and thousands of free movies, all properly categorized. You can see we've got some Halloween stuff. If you're into that, you got originals, you got exclusive, you got editor picks, recently added, you got leaving soon, action, crime, all of your favorite categories are in here. You've even got Asian, Bollywood, faith. Let's go back to the left. Then you got TV shows. So again, you just find pages and pages of content, talk shows, food, travel, and kids. So overall, guys, just a fantastic update. As you can see, just the sheer volume of content, those 850 channels, all with that fully working program guide, so you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And when you add that massive library, the VOD content, the movies and TV series, you really can see why this is one of the best all-in-one streaming applications of the year. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, just open up Downloader, navigate to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this special version of this application on all of your devices and really just go ahead and enjoy some fantastic content absolutely free. And just before you go, guys, let me just share what I think has to be one of the best offers I've ever seen, where you can get a super fast VPN for just $249 a month. So at that price point, to get total protection for unlimited devices, maximum speed, no logging, covers your Firesticks, your Windows PCs, your laptops, your Android TVs, all devices covered with that single license. This really is a very special price and something that I do think you guys, if you are in the market for a new VPN, or if you're not happy with your current VPN, you should definitely check this out. Using my link does help support my channel. So if you do want to support me and my work, this really is the best way to do it. So really appreciate your support. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.